Welcome back to India Business Report. I'm Shilpa Kannan in Delhi. India is among the world's largest telecom markets and the cost of making phone calls here are among the lowest. But could that be about to change? Once the poster child of the country's liberalization policies, the telecom sector here has been struggling to make a profit. And operators are looking at ways of increasing the tariff without scaring off customers. I've been finding out more from here in Delhi.
Hello?
Amrik Singh runs a taxi stand.
5588.
His mobile number is the hotline on which people from all over Delhi call to book the taxi ride. He has multiple numbers and they constantly ring. Strong competition between operators has brought the cost of phone calls down to some of the lowest in the world. But operators are struggling to make profits and have begun hiking tariffs and removing discounts. Users like Amrik have begun to feel the pinch.
Without my mobile phone, I just can't work. My business depends on it. I make and receive hundreds of calls every day. With prices going up, it's going to be very expensive for me. My business will seriously be hit.
While the actual tariffs for mobile phones have not risen substantially, operators have been withdrawing offers of free minutes to customers and have even raised the cost of vouchers like these which you need to buy to recharge your phone. Ultimately, customers have to pay more to use their mobile phones. Many here they say it's inevitable. Mobile tariffs are dominating not just headlines but billboards too. In response to rising costs, Aircel has raised its tariffs. Across the country, others like Bharti Airtel and Idea too have dropped promotional offers and put up prices. The company says they expect the market to stabilize soon.
I think the market has certainly bottomed out. I don't think there's nothing much more left to cut anymore. We have cut away everything possible. So there would be in some sense a process of ensuring that the overall revenue table does move up, because most operators are in the red. So that will emerge. But it has to grow. If you increase prices and volumes drop, it won't serve any purpose.
India's third largest private telecom company, Idea Cellular, recently announced that its third quarter profits had grown by 14%. But like others in the sector, it's also feeling the pressure. India's telecom operators have a combined debt load of over $35 billion. Idea says the price of calls need to balance with rising costs and the investment needed to add millions of new subscribers to the existing network.
First pressure point is that the spectrum, which is a raw material for mobile companies, cost is going up. Second pressure point, overall inflationary pressures. The diesel prices, subsidy that existed, diesel prices are going up. The network operating costs are going up. The reason why there is a need to tweaking of tariff is to balance the inflationary pressure, balance the need for investments, as well as to be able to meet demands of government.
Shares in Indian mobile phone network operators have surged on the news of tariff hikes. Voice calls account for about 85% of revenues in the telecom market. But the key now will be to offer more services so that companies can get more revenue per customer and stay profitable. Let's take a look at